Where's my console?
It's in the back.
It's back there.
Oh, yeah, man. Far freaking out. That would so fit in my Pontiac.
Why, man?
Look at all the stuff. So do you collect it, or do we do the signage too? Or just that's just collectible stuff?
We mostly build them. Yeah.
You build that?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
And
That's
they'll
sweet.
open the wall. Actually, they're going to open the wall up here soon.
Oh, that's sweet. Cool. Look at this.
Is that logo?
Oh yeah, is that the engine that come with the engine? I'm kidding. Where is it? Jesus, it's pretty big, eh?
It's large. I put these blankets on it just to keep it from the change and stretching it all up. But you can see. That's the classic Viper look.
Sweet. Great. That's fun, eh?
The intake's everything kind of plugged off. So
Yeah. Okay.
the lead goes into
Computer?
the transmission.
Oh, transmission.
Plug
That might be important.
somewhere. No, it's in the back here somewhere.
This is cool.
But I just kept it with it because I knew it needed to go with it.
It's a beast.
They are larger than 10 cylinders.
Yeah.
Pretty long.
And is it made by Lamborghini? Or like designed, or they use it?
Designed.
Designed by Lamborghini, yeah. Cool.
So it has a bit of,
Yeah,
European look to that engine
Yeah.
manifold. But
it does, yeah.
basically their truck engine,
right, that they just,
V8
but
with an
it's
extra
all,
two
and it's
cylinders.
all aluminum.
but it's all aluminum block
Yeah.
and aluminum heads.
Yeah.
I'm kind of thinking we go in this way, up against the side, and then stuff that tire on this side will kind of prop it up against the side of the back there
Yeah.
and block it if we have to. Or
Like, oh, cause I was on the plastic cell home, or, cause I can run some, we can tie down to there. I can run like string from the engine to like the frame, just to like, you know, I'm not worried about the, that padding would help, yeah, for sure. Okay, cool. So you'll put in the middle and slide it over kind of thing?
maybe pull that tire out temporarily. I can go get it in the tire. Yeah, I might be able to stand the tire up afterwards again.
Or put it straight flat down and just put it and wedge it, you mean, right? We might be able to put this straight down on the floor, no? Is that what you're thinking?
Put the oil pan right on the.
Right on the floor.
Yeah, 'cause this is flat and that's all flat along there, so it.
Yeah,
it
and
will
then
sit.
as long as we wedge it,
That's why I had the blocks on underneath it because it would sit on the ground.
right.
It would lean and.
But we would need a tire on each side to wedge it properly.
Yeah.
Because it's going to be just banging on plastic. Or unless I'm fine. We can try it. Let's try it. Let's just slide it in. Oh, the ice? Should I back up? I can back up. I should back up more.
I'm gonna hit your
So we don't.
tailgate with,
Oh, yeah. But I'll back, like, 'cause we have to go over ice right now. So just back it up. I can just back the car up a few feet.
yeah, sure.
Right. Let me know how far.
Yeah, you're good. Another foot. That's good there.
Good. Yeah, because then we have to. Yeah, we will have to put it on the ground.
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
on that height real quick here.
Yeah.
Oh, I can lower it down a bit.
Yeah, we lower it down a bit, but we're gonna have to put it flat on the ground for sure. So I'll have to pull it in, right?
Yeah, just letting that go. I can't get.
Yeah. Well, we'll get her in. We need to go this far to clear this. So, and then we can wrangle it, you know?
Yeah. Oh, I'm hitting your tire.
Spare tire?
Yeah. No, the rear tire.
Oh, okay.
Right.
And then we're gonna hit some ice again. I should just back into it. Where do you think it'll go?
I'm hitting your tire. We gotta pull this over a bit.
Oh, that side.
Yeah.
A Viper and a minivan. I don't know if this has been done before.
At least it's a Dodge minivan.
That's right. Oh God. That's as
Close. I can.
well. If we can lower down and maybe push her a little more. We just need to get another 6 inches. Oh yeah, a little more. Let's touch it. Yeah, is that touching? So if we can just wiggle it, can I pull it from the inside?
Yeah, damn snow. You know, I don't know how. We've got a little bit of room to.
As long as we get in there, we can maneuver it. I can put the tire there. Actually, that's not horrible, but then it's gonna tumble.
Forward, yeah, without striving.
Or down the Coca-Cola backwards through the trunk.
Oh, you're going to go with this?
Yeah.
Oh.
What do you think of that?
Brace yourself. Along with the engine.
I'm not gonna go crazy fast, but
Drive.
yes. Well, I mean, I've done it 1,000 times probably, so for all the TV shows. So what do we do?
Make sure you don't end up on what's it called?
Highway through hell? Highway through?
Hell, yeah.
Yes.
Don't be a part of that
We
episode.
don't want to be a victim. I don't think they'll want me on any of their episodes. So what,
Stuff going on.
what do you think? Because I can get in and pull it backwards. Like it's not. I don't think it's that big a deal.
Higher. I can probably pull this chain up higher inside.
Yeah, yeah. But if we set her down, we might be able to just bring her back a little bit. We'll see. I don't know. It is heavy. So if I pull this,
Straight, and you pull slightly while I drop this.
I'm pulling her in. Yeah, if you lower her slowly. Yeah. I mean, it is heavy.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and rechain it first so we don't waste it again. This thing drop.
Yeah. They're not really designed to put engines into minivans, I don't think, these things.
Not originally,
Just a little bit. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Now if you can drop her.
Or in
Yeah. If you can lower it, we'll be able to wrangle it. Are we in, yeah?
You are, you might. Yeah, I think you
As long as it clears that lip of plastic by a bit. Yeah, it feels like a tire on each side.
I think I've got another one out back. Check. I've got a few over there, but they all have rims on them.
Yes, we do. You know, twist it a bit so it holds, or something to.
Wedge a couple of blocks in there.
Oh yeah, those blocks would be helpful.
But we really need to run
Something over.
a strap or something over that, like tie the tires together so they don't. This one doesn't.
Oh right. So, what do you think for straps? We just need a string to kind of hold it there, right? We're not worried about strapping it down, are we? Or do we?
No, you just need to,
Maybe we should run those straps through there.
you just need to keep it from falling over.
Yes.
This one. No, it won't tilt that way.
Yes, and I'm gonna drive slow. So cool.
I think you're wedged in there.
That's fine. Thank you. Let's see if you hear anything. Oh yeah. She's rolling, baby. She's rolling. She's rolling. Now will she close? Now will she close?
Final test.
We're right on the edge there.
I didn't touch anything.
Okay, I'm gonna go follow Mike and Rob from Western Gasco from the Diamond Tea episode in season 5 episodes, but I'm gonna surprise him or trick him into opening the trunk of the minivan to show him the special surprise and see his reaction. He's probably gonna say, "What the have you done?" or something like that. But anyways, here we go.
All my 50 cows and my
What, 50 cows? Can I have some
Nothing.
gloves? Nothing.
no glove, no love.
Can I have some gloves, please? Some fine Milwaukee gloves.
What kind of gloves? We have all these.
Yes, that's what I mean. And it's a large or extra large.
Hang on, we need extra small to match your.
Michael,
Here, extra large.
I'll take it.
What? No, it's Mops.
Oh yeah, this is the 73. Cassidy did the.
Just painted it. Hasn't polished it yet.
It was.
We don't want to polish it. There's 3
It's-
coats clear.
Didn't you have something else? You had a Dodge or something? A Dodge what? Oh,
He had a pink swinger. Where's my coat?
I'll just hold you. Mike, did you get your console?
No.
It's in the van.
Okay, hang on.
Step 1. Where's my coat? Where's my keys? Where's my drill? Where's my dog? Where's my brain? No, where do we found? All of them. Oh, no, there's your dog.
Let's go.
Hold this. Put this on me. Okay, first go get your console in the trunk real quick.
Well, we'll get that out.
No, please, just go real quick.
Hang on, bro. Okay.
Here, shut that.
Where's my console?
It's in the back.
It's back there.
Oh, yeah, man. Far freaking out. That would so fit in my Pontiac.
Yeah, no, it
It
wouldn't.
would.
What? Whose is that? It's not yours.
Lincoln's excited.
Is it?
I told you I was going to sell some stuff.
Oh, you sold this?
No, I sold some stuff to buy this.
Why?
For my Pontiac.
What
I
are you
made
gonna
a deal.
I told you.
Why, Matt?
This is awesome.
I know you bought it. Hey, after 7 years, you know why Matt bought this motor?
Why is that?
Because of the amazing fuel mileage it gets.
I'm not worried about. If I'm worried about mileage with
Do
that
you
engine.
worry about fuel mileage, Mr.
Yes, that's why I put a 327
Yeah, Mr.
in my
Big
car.
Box of it all.
Okay, Matt.
Holy. Yeah, my car's
The day I see this running in a car, I will be impressed. Until then, I'm just going, why?
This is awesome.
It is cool, V10 Viper motor. Is it out of a truck or is it actually out of the Viper?
It's out of the Viper.
Yeah.
I think I told you about this maybe.
Why, what's in here?
Take a look.
Jesus Christ. A Viper motor.
Yeah.
What's this going in?
I think the 56. Remember the Jeep Willys he had here?
Yeah?
With the I got that off of
Yeah.
Richard.
You did?
I think I'm gonna put it on.
This is yours?
Yeah. I picked it up
bastard.
yesterday. In Langley.
That cost you.
About 7,500.
Not of a guy named Dan Rigo.
No.
Okay.
Jason Crombie.
Jason
He
Cromwell.
races at Area 27. He's got a Viper.
Love this. What was he going to put it in?
He had another Viper. He had this and he bought a Viper.
Okay.
I'm not sure. But it has 10,000 kilometers on it.
That's it. What year?
Second gen. So 2000, 2002 or something? Oh, you know about these motors?
02. Yeah, I got a buddy who's got a Viper.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and one of the scariest cars I've been in.
Yeah, I heard the highest rated, highest percentage of
Crash?
from the dealer home
Okay.
when they picked them up, supposedly.
I believe it.
There's so
I believe it.
so much power in the
A small car,
Yeah.
small light car.
yeah.
Wow.
But yeah, we're gonna put. I think so, something like that. Yeah.
So horsepower,
I don't know.
450.
No more than that.
Yeah,
I think it's 5.6. Yeah.
five. Yeah, okay. I think the first gens came around 4.
Was it only that much?
I
Okay,
believe
maybe
so.
they are 455.
No. Second gen was, I believe, a little more.
Okay, but I'm gonna put a turbo. I don't know. 4-wheel
Turbo
drive. Yeah, I think, I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna do
That's
it.
gonna be so cool.